welcome again in my channel Learn with Anu. I am back with another interesting blooming video on Rafale. Why Rafale is so popular and why it is required here. So let's learn about the special features and facts about the Rafale. First we will learn about the specifications of Rafale fighter plane. The Rafale can fly at speeds of 1.8 Mach, that is 2222.6 km per hour, and can climb to a height of 50,000 feet. It has a range of 3700 km, which can increased with mid-air refueling. The fighter jet is 15.27 meters long from nose to tail, has a wingspan of 10.8 meters and a wing surface area of 45.7 square meters. It can carry 9500 kg of bombs and munitions. Now let's learn about the interesting facts about the Rafale fighter aircraft. Number 1, it is capable of flying from 36,000 feet to 50,000 feet. Not only this, but it also reaches 50,000 feet in 1 minute. It is capable of flying from an extremely short runway of 1,312 feet. It has the capacity to carry 15,590 gallons of fuel. Rafale is capable of carrying air-to-air lethal missiles. Rafale can fly up to 2,000 nautical miles at a time. Rafale fighter jet is a multi-role fighter aircraft manufactured by Dassault Aviation of France. Rafale is available in one seat and double engine in A, B and C, M categories. Rafale can fire air-to-air missiles with flying at extremely low altitudes, being able to carry out a nuclear attack with air-to-ground attacks. Not only this, but the aircraft also has an oxygen generation system and there is no need to fill liquid oxygen. The aircraft performs 3D mapping with electronic scanning radar to find enemy positions in real time. In addition to this, it can detect long-term danger in all weathers in time and can monitor multiple targets simultaneously during close combat, as well as it is capable of flying from aircraft bases and aircraft carriers besides the ground. Now let's learn the Rafale missile capacities. The Mica air-to-air missile on Rafale is for both close quarter dogfights and for BVR. It also has Hammer, that is high agile and maneuverable munition extended range. It is an air-to-ground precision guided missile produced by French conglomerate Safran and can be used against bunker-type hardened targets within the range of 70 km. Because these Rafale jets will be armed with mature beyond visual range air-to-air missiles and Scalp deep strike cruise missiles. The new Rafale fighter jet will significantly enhance the offensive capability of the Indian Air Force and prove to be a game changer with their advanced weaponry, defense experts have said. The Meteor, with a range estimated to be well above 120 km, outranges any other missiles in aerial combat. Meteor is the next generation of BVR, air-to-air missile, BVR AAM, designed to revolutionize air-to-air combat. The weapon has been developed by MBDA to combat common threats. The Scalp is a deep strike cruise missile known for having pinpoint terminal accuracy through its highly accurate seeker and target recognition system. Hammer is a precision guided missile developed by French defense major Safran. Rafale fighter jets can help each other out mid-air. Rafale fighter jets are equipped with buddy-buddy refueling that also one aircraft to lend its fuel to another while still in flight. It can fire mature missiles to take out targets that are out of visual range. Mature beyond visual range air-to-air missile, Scalp missiles can take out on ground targets 300 kilometers away. Capable of taking out target within a radius of 300 kilometers, and carry 6 AASM missiles at a time. Each AASM missile has GPS and imaging infrared terminal guidance. It can accurately hit a target with an accuracy of 10 meters. It has a holographic cockpit display. There is also a RDE2 passive electronically scanner radar developed by Thales on board. It has look down and shoot down abilities that can track up to 8 targets at the same time, identify the threats and prioritize accordingly. Rafale's radar is more powerful than Sukhoi 30 MKI. Rafale's higher survivability. Rafale's fighter jets will have the ability to land and take off quickly from high altitudes. This is all about Rafale. So for any suggestion, any queries, please comment in the boxes. Like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.